When do state-specific minimum wage laws override federal rates? In recent news, the topic of minimum wage laws is heating up as many states are making headlines for raising their rates. The question on many people's minds is, when do state-specific minimum wage laws override federal rates? If you are an employee or an employer, understanding this can impact your paycheck and business operations. Federal law sets the minimum wage at $7.25 per hour. However, states have the authority to establish their own minimum wage rates. This means that if a state sets a higher rate, it takes precedence over the federal minimum wage. Many states have recognized the need for higher wages to match the cost of living in their areas. For example, as of 2025, California has a minimum wage of $16.50 per hour. New York follows closely with a statewide minimum wage of $15.50, and it reaches $16.50 in New York City and its suburbs. Connecticut and Delaware have also increased their rates to $16.35 and $15, respectively. These changes often come from state legislation or ballot initiatives aimed at improving the economic stability of workers. When state laws conflict with federal laws, the law providing greater benefits for employees usually prevails. This means that if your state has a higher minimum wage, you will earn that rate instead of the federal minimum. In the past 24 hours, discussions around these changes have gained momentum, especially as more states consider similar increases. Workers are increasingly advocating for higher wages to keep pace with rising living costs. Employers, on the other hand, are navigating the implications of these changes on their business models and budgets. In summary, state-specific minimum wage laws override federal rates when they offer higher wages. This legal framework allows states to respond to local economic conditions and ensure workers are compensated fairly. As these discussions continue, staying informed about your state's laws can help you understand your rights and responsibilities in the workplace.